Now, as the entertainment sector gets the green light, Prime Minister Andrew Holness recently announced an annual modern music grant for reggae and dancehall entertainers and musicians. The grant was among a series of contributions that Mr. Holness announced for the entertainment industry during his presentation in the 2022 budget debate in the House of Representatives. At the debate, Mr. Holness declared that all measures under the Disaster Risk Management Act, including the prohibition on entertainment events, will be lifted. Now, event selectors, promoters and entertainers are elated with the news of the reopening of the sector.
Prime Minister's presentation today has been a class act, outlining why he is the Prime Minister and his vision for Jamaica today and tomorrow. His presentation regarding entertainment and the grants and loans is a welcome addition to what we all know is a struggling industry.
According to Mr. Holness, he has directed the Culture, Health, Arts, Sports and Education Chase Fund to set aside funds to assist music and entertainment stakeholders. Mr. Holness said the TVJ will also be working out the details with the entities with the aim for April 2022. Reggae artist Skip Marley's track Faith is featured in the Netflix docuseries dubbed Our Great National Parks. Cedella Marley made the announcement on Instagram a day after Netflix released the trailer for the docuseries. The 5-part documentary series is narrated by former U.S. President Barack Obama and tells the story of the importance of the world's most famous national parks in countries such as Chile, Indonesia, and Kenya. Faith is featured on Skip Marley's Grammy-nominated EP Higher Place released in 2020. Other tracks on the album are Make Me Feel, My World, No Love, That's Not True. At the time, Skip also became the first Jamaican-born lead artist inside the top 15 on the Billboard R&B Hip-Hop Airplay chart since 2006. The docuseries is being executively produced by James Honeyborn, Tanya Davis, and Mr. Obama. Our Great National Parks is scheduled to commence on April 13. Fame Frequency is celebrating their second anniversary tomorrow night, and it's the all-white party glitz. The event will see party masters Arif Cooper, DJ Denvo, DJ Roderick, and DJ Deli pulling out all the stops at the trending virtual entertainment party on Saturday night. The event kicks off at 9 p.m. on RETV and 10:45 right here on TVJ and will run for an extra hour. Fame Frequency has provided the much-needed entertainment on a Saturday night. The event has been a fave among partygoers and has trended on social media platform Twitter. I'm Deirdre Gordon reporting for ePrime.